Coming back after a casual drive, I pulled into the garage and wondered what these square things that are attached to my front bumper do. After a quick Google search, I found out that they spray water on my headlights. Even though I know that's a stupid gimmick, I thought it'd be cool to see how they work. I went and tried to activate them, but all I heard was a screech. So I head to the front and I see this huge mess. The water wouldn't stop coming out, and I try my best with as many toilet papers as I can to stop my garage from becoming a pool. The only thing I could do was wait for all the water to drain out of my car. After all the water drained out, I knew that this parted piece would need to be ripped out. I found a bug wedged inside my bumper. I don't know if it came with the car or if it was my doing. After successfully removing the headlight washers, all I need to do was plug in the tube where the water was getting sent from, just in case it randomly leaks water again. The moment we've all been waiting for. Modifications. So let's start off with something that has been annoying me since I bought this car, this worn out shift boot. Next, this dildo shifter will need to go. There is no proper way to hold it. For its replacement, I got a Cusco shift knob, which was made for the Roadsters. Good thing my car shares the same manufacturer and thread pattern as them. I didn't like the sticker that it came with, so I put some eBay knockoff ready sticker. Nice. The sticker's for a 5-speed. Next on the agenda is a brand new steering wheel. I got a Workspell steering hub to fit in with my new Momo steering wheel. It was smaller than the stock steering wheel, which is great. Since my knees will end up touching the steering wheel, now I can heel and toe in peace. Lastly, the steering wheel was too yellow, so I ended up painting it black and red. But the result looks so shit, so I ended up removing all of the red off of it. Thank you very much for watching. There'll be more to come with the RX8. Till then, take care.